Göta Canal is Sweden's most famous waterway, and it is also a fantastic bike route. During 4 days we enjoy a piece of Swedish engineering history and a fantastic Swedish spring weather as we bike and camp along the canal. A regular commuter train takes us down from Stockholm to Gnesta, where we start biking. We bike down to Mem just east of Söderköping and then go along the canal to Borensberg. There we head north of Lake Boren and then up to Hallsberg, where we take the train back to Stockholm. And I'm all packed up for a 4-day trip going along Göta Canal from Gnesta down to the canal, west to Motala and then up to Hallsberg. So we missed the connection here in Södertäljehamn because there were some people running on the tracks in central Stockholm. So we have to wait 50 minutes. I'll try to find us a couple of ice creams. To Gnesta. It's 12 o'clock and we are leaving Gnesta. We start our ride by going west from Gnesta. There is a more direct and also good bike route down towards Göta Canal, but I have biked it several times and wanted to try some new roads this time.
He's got power in his legs, he's got juice!
I've got juice, man!
Where is he? Is he over there somewhere?
Thought I had lost you, Johan! I thought some woman had abducted you!
Oh! It's so warm, it must be 25 degrees and in the sun, and we have wind in the back, so we don't get much breeze to cool us down either. And it's just very warm and hilly. So we passed by Stjärnhov and we're now heading to Sparreholm. Bärstabadet.
Johan? Whose idea was this to go on a cycling tour? I mean, it's a terrible idea.
Bad habit I have.
We should turn around as it is. I mean, look at this.
It's so unpleasant right now.
It's
Why
just
are we doing this?
For
Oh shit! Tror du jag har bakom ryggen då?
Känner jag dig rätt så är det en bulle. Jordgubbar, vad trevligt.
Nu ska vi äta jordgubbar.
Strawberries, fantastic.
The way my grandmother and grandfather taught me to eat it. As a kid, I was often visiting my grandparents in Västmanland, and they had a 300 square meter big field with strawberries. They always ate them with Swedish hard bread and milk, crumbling 2 slices of hard bread on top of the strawberries and then pouring over some milk. The spices in the hard bread works perfectly with the taste of the strawberries, and it makes it more filling.
We're passing over the lake here.
Bäverdamm. Därför det ser ut så där. Så ser det hela vägen en serie med dammar här.
Oh. Yeah, I think we see something quite interesting here because I believe, or I'm pretty convinced, that what we're looking at is a series of beaver dams. My best guess, I don't know obviously, but my best guess, let's say 20, maybe 30 beavers, because you can see all the way in the distance that it's still beaver dams, and they built several successive beaver dams. And what they're after is, of course, the inner bark of the leaf-bearing trees, because that's what they eat. So it's very, very good for all things that live in water, and of course it stops up the water as well. So if there are nutrients that travel with the water, obviously that sinks to the ground and doesn't wash into the ocean. So it's very cool. Cool.
And we have come to Torpfjärden. Beautiful lake on the right here. And we are soon going to stop to have a little drink stop. So we've done 50 kilometers already, 53 even. And we're now on smaller roads and enjoying a fantastic ride, isn't it?
It's an amazing ride, especially the landscape is just beautiful. And no traffic, no disturbances whatsoever, so very, very nice.
Woo!
And we're having a little coffee break by the lake. It's just fantastic, isn't it?
Hey.
Great place.
Fantastic. Beautiful.
Oh. That was a great little stop by the lake. But now we have to push the bikes up again.
The alley we bike through takes us past Tärnö, an estate with a history that dates back to the 15th century. A castle was built in the 17th century during Sweden's greatness era, but it burnt down in 1913. Today's mansion was built in 1954.
This was a very beautiful road. The lilacs smell lovely.
After our coffee break at Torpfjärden, the beautiful and winding road took us past Tärnö and down to Vrena. There we turned left onto Road 52, a bigger road with more traffic. However, already after 8 kilometers we came to Stigtomta, where we turned off and onto the bike route Sverigeleden that took us down to our end destination for today.
There's a public beach here, so we're gonna stay the night here. Let's see if it's any good. Ah, this is the parking, and here we go. Here! Wow, look at this! Look at that. Perfect. Fantabulous. Woo! 80 kilometers. And 6 hours and 23 minutes. Good work. Putting up my tent. My Fjällräven Abisko Light 1. 1 person tent. Only 1 pole plus 4 mini poles in the corners. Tent poles. I store them in the bike. I have my frame bag and I have the tent poles in the frame bag. Makes it easier to pack up the rest of the tent in the pannier. It's now ready.
No garlic, no paprika, no curry.
Nej, ingen curry.
He thinks I'm an idiot who brought this. I think it was a brilliant thing, but he's not using it.
I used the salt. We can make a curry later.
So I'm slightly depressed that he doesn't want to use this excellent.
So have a look at this. Hello. Bon appetit.
What about the parmesan?
Yeah, the parmesan. Sorry, we forgot about the parmesan.
We need the parmesan.
Parmigiano Reggiano.
Now that, my dear Johan, is some first-class cooking. little bit more salt. Thank you for today. So this is something Johan and I did this fall. It's slow berry liqueur. It is super tasty.
Cheers.
Slow berry liqueur. It's so good. Incredibly good.
Time to go to bed. It's what is it? 22:09. So tomorrow we're going over Bråviken down to Göta Canal, and I'm looking forward to that.
Oh, they need rest.
Finally in the tent, and it's been a great day. Quite windy, but we had most of the time we had the wind in the back, so not a problem with that at all. And Jonas is tucked up in the other tent next to me, and he's very happy to rest his legs on his back as well. Yeah, we have 3 days more of this, and it's really good. But now I'm happy to lie down and rest my legs.
Don't miss next episode with stunning landscapes, unexpected moments, and some seriously bad hair as we discover Göta Canal's secret trail north of Lake Asplången.
The guys who live down the road here, they don't want a lot of bikers passing by.
Like, subscribe, and join the adventure.